just gonna demonstrate where the loop is. So JPC 2.0, there's opening here, but there's actually a very hidden opening here, which you can expose. This, that's where you would put the buckle through. Give me one sec. So when you expose it, it's gonna look like this, right? Just gonna move it on to the completed one. So when exposed, let's say you buy the Emerson, the side Emerson equipment, the chest rig adapter kits from Emerson. You can attach the buckle here, right? And then so you can attach the chest rig like this. One sec. Emerson chest rig kit is basically this, right? It is 7330 MC or EM 7330. That's it. You can, this would attach to the molly on the side, and this to the chest rig. And you can reuse, and you can all four, right? And this is the one that attaches to the top part. That's the one you saw earlier. And there's a slot here, which you can just attach it in. So going back, you would thread this through, and then kind of put it over here as well. And that's how it attaches, like that. That's about it. Thank you.